Hey everybody, Mr. Kirkwald here. I just wanted to kind of go through our systems lesson for today. So when you guys clicked onto our Monday, Tuesday folder, you saw Tuesday distance learning. So that's you guys today. Right now there's nothing in the folder because I'm making the video, which is the only thing in the folder for today. So it's going to sound a little weird, but because we're working on this project that we're going to start today a little bit later this week, we're actually going to leave the Tuesday folder here and we're going to go into Wednesday, Thursday. So that's where it's going to be located when you're working on it later this week. The first one that I want you to take a look at is the systems introduction. So when I click on systems introduction, it's going to bring you, here, technology and then engineering design process. So yesterday you learned a little bit more about systems. There's a little bit of a review just kind of in here that I want you to walk through these slides, read, double check, and make sure that everything's going well for you. And then what we're going to focus on here is identifying the goal, the input, the processes, the output, and then the feedback. So taking this super old school iPod here, the goal of this iPod is to simply play music. So inputs that it needs to be able to be charged to run, the songs have to be loaded in, and all of that. And then the output is that music plays through the headphones. Our process is that you get to go in and choose which song to play. So those are things that you can change. And then our feedback, the user gets to adjust the volume, changes the songs according to their preferences. That's our feedback there. So after you go through, on slide 10 here, it talks about our poster project. So for our systems poster project, you're going to create a poster of a system that you're going to learn about, and you're going to identify the goal, the input, the process, the output, and the feedback for that system. So I posted a couple of examples here just to kind of get you started so you can see exactly what I'm looking for. And then a template here for you too about how we can put the inputs, outputs, feedback, processing, and goal all together. So this will be a helpful tool just to kind of have up. So for that, where are we? For that, we're going to be in the Wednesday folder here. And when I click on Systems Presentation, this is what you're going to be creating for me. Right here, I've got a list of systems that you can choose from. So if you want to research and make a Google slide about a phone, a speaker, a TV, a sink, toaster, an electric hand dryer, a computer, any of those are reasonable for you to do. And then I also put our grading scale that we're going to be using down here with is it completed, is it missing elements of it. As long as yours looks like the one in the systems examples here, you should be good to go for our systems presentations, okay? And then over here, yours says submit. So when you have a Google slide made, you can go in here and hit submit, and then you can upload that project. We're going to have a couple of days to work on this, so don't feel like you have to get it done on Tuesday here. It's not going to be until Friday when that assignment is going to be due. Okay, so take your time on this and make sure that you're putting in good effort. You've got images in there. Everything is exactly where it should be, and then you should be good to go. So if you have questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I'll talk to you later. Bye.